you're just working and getting the same money, paying the same tax, no matter what you do. You're never really going to get ahead in life doing that. This is the Cashflow Quadrant. So this is taken literally from a page of Robert Kiyosaki's book. And you can see here, this is where most people start off on the E quadrant here as an employee. Now that's where you're actually trading your time for dollars.
Dollars for time, kids. Dollars for time.
That's right. And you don't want to be doing that because you can only get paid usually a certain amount per hour as an employee. So you're just working and getting the same money, paying the same tax, no matter what you do. You're never really going to get ahead in life doing that.
Correct.
So what you want to do is you want to move through these quadrants and you want to move down into self-employed. So you're still trading your time for dollars here, but at least if you're self-employed, the amount of work you do actively determines your income. So now you can, work extra hours and you can earn more money as self-employed because it's very self-motivated, self-driven.
Yes.
But then where you want to move into is a business owner. So you move into a business owner. It's where you're owning a business and you've actually got your employees now that are going out and trading the dollars for time and earning that money to produce more income for yourself. But then you want to take that money as a business owner, or if you're an employee or self-employed, all three really, you want to take that money that you're actively working and earning and put it into this quadrant here, which is the investor.
We like the investor. Happy days.
That's where you want to put your money, in the investor quadrant, because that is where it needs to go and that's where it belongs. So having it there means that now you're getting your money to equal more money, and it has little money babies. And it starts producing, and
it has mini money babies.
Minis. So the money is producing more money, and it has a real compounding effect. And this is what I love about property investing. It is one of the safest ways to produce a passive income in Australia.
Correct.
It's just amazing.
Absolutely.
And if you use our strategy with the Markoski method, you're just that next level investing in the top 100 suburbs. It's absolutely amazing. There's nothing better. I haven't seen anything like it ever, where you can take your money and get such a good return passively. So making sure that you're taking that money and putting it into vehicles like investment properties that are going to produce you more money long term, being in that investor quadrant, that is the only way you can really get ahead. And that is Robert Kiyosaki's philosophy. Money babies. I just had a comment saying, money
Yes.
babies. That's right. We all need to be making these money babies because ultimately, you've only got so much time, right, until you retire. And then what do? Live off the pension? Live off your super? Is that going to be enough?
Sell the family home that you've spent your whole life trying to pay off?
Exactly. What are your options?
Seems ridiculous.
Yeah, do what the poor dad does. Have the one house where you put every cent towards a mortgage, and then what are you left with?